Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by seeing the message. Notice why it looks legitimate. Attackers reuse brand cues and spoof addresses to bypass casual checks, so you must inspect headers and sender domains. Once done, examine phrasing, urgency, and tiny personalization are deliberate. Make sure to hover links without clicking and view attachments file types. You should think like a defender, understand the initial lure, why urgency works on behavior, and what simple artifacts reveal malicious intent. You follow how payloads reach you and why they succeed. Attackers build redirects and lookalike pages to steal logins, while attachments may trigger macros or drop files when enabled. That's why macros are a red flag. Once people are persuaded by context, job titles, recent projects, invoice numbers, the deception feels credible. Make sure to verify requests out of band and to treat unexpected attachments as risky. Understanding these delivery methods helps you spot and stop the compromise. You need to know what happens if the bait is taken and how to respond. Stolen credentials enable access and escalation, while payloads can persist and spread. That explains why rapid containment matters. Once an incident is suspected, isolate affected systems, reset impacted passwords, and revoke active sessions. Make sure to collect logs, report to IT, and run malware scans. A key troubleshooting tip: if multi-factor fails, treat as breach and use recovery codes or admin intervention to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.